Namaste yogis, welcome back to Yogasana. I'm Sudhanshu and today we continue our journey into the Patanjali Yog Sutra with the second sutra, Yogasya Chitta Vritti Nirodhah. This sutra holds the essence of yoga practice and its ultimate goal. Yogasya Chitta Vritti Nirodhah translates to yoga is the cessation of the fluctuations of the mind. Let's break this down to understand its profound meaning. Chitta refers to the mind or consciousness. It encompasses our thoughts, emotions, memories, and overall mental state. Vrittis are the fluctuations or modifications of the mind. They are the various thoughts, distractions, and disturbance that constantly flow through our consciousness. Nirodha means cessation, control, or restraint. Together, this sutra tells us that yoga is about quietening the mind, controlling these fluctuations, and finding inner peace. Our mind are often restless, filled with thoughts, worries, and distractions. This constant mental chatter can lead to stress, anxiety, and a lack of focus. Through yoga, we aim to calm these disturbances and achieve a state of mental clarity and tranquility. Let's explore how this sutra can be applied in our daily life and yoga practice. The practice of yoga offers several techniques to help us control the mind and reduce its fluctuations. These include asana, postures, pranayam, breathing exercise, and meditation. Through asanas, we work on physical body, releasing tension and creating a stable foundation for the mind. Pranayam helps regulate the breath, which in turn calms the nervous system and mind. Meditation allows us to focus inward, observing and eventually quietening the mental chatter. When the mind is still, we experience our true self and connect deeply with our inner being. This state of mental clarity and inner peace is the essence of yoga. Let me share a personal story from my own yoga journey in Rishikesh. In Rishikesh, I was overwhelmed by the noise and chaos of my mind. Despite my regular yoga practice, I found it challenging to quiet my thoughts. It was during a particular intense meditation session that I truly understood the meaning of Yogasya Chitta Vritti Nirodhah. As I sat in silence, focusing on my breath, I began to notice the gaps between my thoughts. Slowly these gaps grew longer and my mind started to settle. I experienced a profound sense of peace and connection to my true self. This experience was transformative and it deepened my understanding and practice of yoga. This sutra is a reminder that yoga is not just about physical exercise. It's a holistic practice that encompasses mental, emotional, and spiritual well-being. By dedicating time to quiet the mind daily, we gradually move closer to the state of Chitta Vritti Nirodhah. In practical terms, this means integrating yoga into our daily lives. Start with a few minutes of meditation each day. Gradually increase the duration as you become more comfortable. Practice mindful breathing and simple asanas to create a stable foundation for your meditation practice. Find a quiet space, sit comfortably and close your eyes. Focus on your breath, observing the natural rhythm of inhalation and exhalation. When thoughts arise, simply acknowledge them without judgment and gently bring your focus back to your breath. Over time, you will notice that the mind becomes quieter and the gaps between thoughts grow longer. Thank you for joining me on this journey into the Patanjali Yog Sutra. If you found this video insightful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more yoga wisdom. Join me every Friday as we explore each sutra in detail, uncovering their relevance and practical application for our modern lives. For more insights, follow me on Instagram. Stay connected, stay present. Namaste.